Hi guys, welcome to the points part 2 tutorial. Go to edit ribbon and then points. We shall cover one by one all the tools highlighted in the box. At first, let me draw a circle. Click on the icon tangent to a circle. Click the center point of the circle and the radius. Click the tangent line start point and the end point. You can see a point created at the intersection of the circle and a tangent line. Next icon is the points at any position. Click the required snap settings before and click on the model space where you want to add the points. Next icon is bold points. To demonstrate this, let me draw few members with bolts. Select the icon and click the bolts to create points on bolts. Next icon is the intersection of two points. Select the line to create the points in intersection of lines. Let me draw construction lines and will explain the same. Select the icon and click the intersection lines start point and the end point. You can see a point created at the intersection. For the next icon, let me take a view and will explain. Use Ctrl plus Tab to switch between views. I have drawn a construction line. Now select the icon intersection of plane and line and select the plane and the start point and the end point of the line. Note, a point is generated at the intersection of plane and the line drawn. For the next icon, let me draw a beam. Select the icon, add points at the intersection of part and lines. Click the icon and select the part and click the start point and the end point of the line. Points are drawn at the intersection of beam and line drawn. Select the icon and click center point of the circle and start point and the end point of a line. A point is drawn at the intersection of the circle drawn and the line. For the next icon, let me draw two beams. Double click on the model space and click on display button. Click on the checkbox for the part center line and click modify to apply the changes. Use Ctrl 1 to 4 to change the shade of the beam for better clarity. Go to edit ribbon and select the icon intersection of part axis. Select the two beams you want to create the point. Note, a point is created at the intersection of the two beam axis. That's it guys, we have seen all the options available for the point tool. See you at next session.